It was only a few weeks ago that she was on the Miss Jamaica World stage. Now she's on our stage. Jana Hines copped the Beauty with a Purpose prize. There goes my pen. So we just had to hear more about her foundation, the JDH Charity Limited, and meet this charming young lady who is doing fantastic things. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much.
Congrats. It's 2 weeks ago, just about?
Yes,
three?
it's about 2 weeks ago.
What has happened in your life since then?
Well, basically what has been happening, I'm still working at the Northern Caribbean University, and I'm still carrying out works through my charity.
You're a medical technologist?
Yes, I am.
Which means you do what now?
I test the body fluids, basically urine, blood, feces.
Yeah. Okay, great.
Serum.
Jana. All right. Okay. Thanks for I'm just joking. Thanks for sharing that. 22 years old.
Yes.
You've been working in charity for as long as you can remember.
Yes.
Because your dad was that spirit of charitableness and giving.
Yes, he was.
Tell me about your dad and how he's influenced not just your charity status and your charity that you've started, but your life. How has it impacted your life?
My father's life and death really impacted my life and allows me to be who I am today. He was the most selfless person ever, and he did not only give back to my community on a large scale, but he would always have kind words to give to others, and something as simple as a compliment. My father was definitely a humanitarian.
Mm-hmm. You lost him, you were 13.
Yes, I was 13 years old.
That's tough.
So actually 5 days before my birthday.
Oh gosh,
yes,
that's hard.
It definitely
But you've used it to propel you to do what it is that you wanted to do, and that spirit that he engendered in you. So you're honoring him through your work.
I have to.
Tell me how the charity started and what you do.
Okay, so I can remember being a kind-hearted person from as far back as I can remember. I like to think of it as really an innate trait that was given and nurtured by my father and also my mother.
In your DNA?
Yes.
Yeah.
I remember when 2 months prior to his death, I got a vision that I was born to inspire, motivate, and change. And he told me to, push on and always think of that is what I was really born for, because I explained the dream to him. Mm-hmm. When I started the Northern Caribbean University, I started collecting food items and toiletries from my dorm mates on my birthday to give back to families, underprivileged families in Mandeville and also children's homes there. And that is how it really started. Last year, I really registered it as a non-profitable company where I carried out multiple projects. I first started by giving back. I donated food items and toiletries to the countries that were affected by Hurricane Irma and Maria. I also fed the homeless in Yorktown,
in your community?
Yes, in St. Catherine. That's Yorktown, Linstead, Bogwalk, and Spanish Town. Afterwards, I carried out a much-needed blood drive for the University Hospital of the West Indies, and I'm currently aiding in the renovation of the Ginger Hill All-Age School located in St. Elizabeth, which I am in dire need of support.
We're going to let's talk some more about that. But you won the Beauty with a Purpose title at Miss Jamaica World. Was it for this Ginger Hill project, or was it just all the work that you've done?
Because in my Beauty with a Purpose project, the video, it had multiple, it was mostly about the whole JDH Building Jamaica Charity Limited. And then I focused on the Ginger Hill All-Age School project because that is what I was doing at the time. And I'm currently doing that. No, and I'm seeking sponsorship for it currently because it really needs.
So JDH means?
John Dalton Hines. That's my father's name.
Okay, yes, okay. Wow, that is girl for sure. Yes. So tell me what you're doing with the school now and how we said you need support. How can we help you?
Well, currently I have myself and the principal and Miss Barracks. We have collected sponsorship from Food for the Poor mostly, and we have managed to create a concrete structure, a bathroom structure, because they were using pit latrines. And now I am seeking sponsorship to renovate to finish renovating the entire school. That's what I really need. And if by any chance you're interested in donating or sponsoring this charity and this project, I'm asking you kindly to email me at careforjamaicacharity@gmail.com.
And Ginger Hill is in
St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth. Okay. All right. So, guys, John is looking to help these young kids. Look at them. My word. They deserve an institution where they can, learn.
Yes, definitely.
That's conducive to learning. Speaking of which, we talk about learning. You not doing so badly yourself. At 15, you had 11 CXC subjects?
Yes, I did.
What do you want to do with 11? You can share?
Yeah, I know. Really, I was always intrigued by both business and medicine. Well, I wanted to be a doctor. But my father was an entrepreneur, and I always wanted to be an entrepreneur, which I am going to pursue that dream.
I was just going to say, are you through with studying, or are you going to move on to see if you can?
I strongly believe in continuing education, so I'm definitely going to do my master's in business management soon, hopefully next year.
No medical degree?
No medical master's. I have my bachelor's degree in medical technology, and as I said, I really want to pursue that dream of entrepreneurship, so I want to focus on that now.
And tell me a little bit about having gone through the pageant. What have you walked away from that way?
The pageant was amazing. The girls were, the whole experience really exceeded my expectations. The girls were amazing, amazing personalities. Roxine was the mama.
Miss Nicole.
Yes. So, and just the whole experience, it was so amazing. And it really exceeded my expectations.
Yeah, and then it affords you the press to be able to get support for the projects you're working on. So again, Jana's asking, guys, she's trying to fix the Ginger Hill School in St. Elizabeth.
Right.
If you can assist, give them the email address in here.
That's careforjamaicacharity@gmail.com.
Yeah. So when they tell you that young people don't care about this country, then you look at people like Jana and you see that that is not the case. Thank you very much, lady.
Thank you so much.
All the best to you.
Thank you so much.
Nice to have met you. Founder of the JDH Charity Limited, Jana Hines. We're going to get the results of NEPA's air quality report. I think the results are already out. We're talking a little bit about the results after this. We'll be right back.